Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 10th standard chemistry periodic classification of element lesson. In our previous video class, already discussed periodic trends and properties, types of ore, types of separation method, and physical and chemical properties of metal. Once again recall types of ore. First ore, oxide ore. In this ore contains main source oxygen. Oxygen symbol O. What are the oxygen ores are available? One is bauxite. Bauxite formula Al2O3 2H2O. Second one cuprite. Cuprite formula Cu2. Third one hematite. Hematite formula Fe2O3 Fe2O3. These are oxide ores. The another ore is carbonate ore. Carbonate formula CO3. CO3. The CO3 contains ores are called carbonate ore. The first carbonate ore is marble. Marble formula CaCO3. The second ore, second carbonate ore, magnesite. Magnesite formula MgCO3. The third carbonate ore, siderite. Siderite formula FeCO3. These three ores are carbonate ores. The another type of ore is halide ores. The halogen compounds are present in which group? 17th group. What are the halogen compounds are available in periodic table? The first halide ore is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are halide elements. The halogen compounds are present ores are called halide ores. The first halide ore is cryolite. Cryolite formula Na3Al(F6). In this cryolite, what halide elements are present? Fluorine. Fluorine symbol F, capital F. The second halide ore is fluorophore. Fluorophore formula Ca(F2). These ores are contain what halide ore? What halide elements? Fluorine. The third halide ore is rock salt. Rock salt formula NaCl. This is also called sodium chloride. Our day-to-day salt name sodium chloride. Sodium chloride formula NaCl. These three ores are halide ores. Halogen compounds present ores are called halide ores. The another ore is sulfide ore. Sulfide formula S. The sulfide contains ores are called sulfide ores. The first halide sulfide ore is galena. Galena formula BbS. The second one iron barytes. Iron barytes formula Fe(S2). The third sulfide ore is zinc flint. Zinc flint formula ZnS. These three ores are called sulfide ores. Sulfide element present ores are called sulfide ores. Let's see types of separation or concentration of ore. The first method is hydraulic method or gravity separation. The first concentration of ore method is hydraulic method or gravity separation. Second one magnetic separation method. Third one flotation. Fourth one chemical method or leaching. Let's learn about one by one. The first method is hydraulic method. The hydraulic method, otherwise said to be gravity separation. What is the principle used? The difference in densities or gravity, specific gravity of the ore and gangue is the main principle behind this method. Oxide ores are purified by this method. Example, hematite formula Fe2O3. Hematite is one of the iron ore. In this method, what type of ores are concentrated oxide ores are concentrated by hydraulic or gravity separation method. Example, hematite formula Fe2O3. What is the principle mainly used? Difference in the densities. The ore and gangue difference in the density are specific gravity of the ore, and gangue particles are removed. Gangue particles are the removed. The gangue is one of the impurities present this ore. In this concentration method, gangue particles are removed. Gangue particles are removed. What type of ores are used in this method? Oxide ore. Note, when the ore is heavier than impurities, this method is used. Method. The ore is poured over a sloping, vibrating coagulated table with grooves, and a jet of water is allowed to flow over it. The denser ore particles settle down in the grooves, and lighter gangue particles are washed down by water. Take one slope vibrating coagulated table and add ore and flow, and jet of water is allowed to the over the table. The particles are heavier and lighter particles. The heavier and lighter particles are present in ore. The denser ores are settled down the grooves. Central particles are settled down the table, and lighter gangue particles, that is impurities. Lighter impurities are removed by overflow the water. So denser ore particles settle down, and lighter gangue particles are washed down by the water. This is what method? Gravity separation or hydraulic method. This method, what type of ores are used? Only for oxide ores. Hydraulic mean using water. The lighter impurities particles are removed. Then denser ore particles settle down the grooves. Let's see another concentration method. Magnetic separation method. What is the principle used? The magnetic properties of the ore from the basis of separation. What type of ores are used? Magnetic properties of the ores are used in this method. When either the ore or gangue is magnetic, or the ore or gangue particles are is magnetic in nature. This method is employed. What is the example of this method? Tin stone formula SnO2. This is ore of tin. Tin symbol Sn. Tin element symbol Sn. This element contains what type of ore? SnO2. Tin stone. What is the principle used? Magnetic properties ores are used in this method. Magnetic properties ores are present in ore or gangue particles are what property contain? Magnetic properties. So that the magnetic properties of ores or gangue particles used in this method. What method? Magnetic separation method. Example, tin stone formula SnO2. See this picture. The crushed ore is placed over the conveyor belt which rotate around two metal wheels, one of which is magnetic. The magnetic particles are attached to the magnetic wheel and fall separately apart from the non-magnetic particle, properties, non-magnetic particles. See this picture. Two conveyor belts are available. Two metal wheels are present. The one wheel is magnetic roller. Crushed powder ores are poured into belt. The belt is rotate. This wheel contains what nature? Magnetic roller. So magnetic particles are attached and settled upon the first beaker. The non-magnetic particles are available in another beaker. So magnetic nature particles or ores are separated by this method. What method? Magnetic separation. The third consideration method is fourth flotation. What is the principle? This process depends on the professionally wettability of the ore, which with pine oil, and the gangue particles by water. Lighter ores such as sulfide ore are concentrated by this method. Lighter ore only considered by this method. The lighter ore example, what type of ores? Sulfide ores. The sulfide ores are considered by fourth flotation method. Example, zinc flint. Formula is ZnS. Another example, BBS, galena. So both are contain sulfide. The sulfide ores are concentrated by what method? Fourth flotation. That is lighter ores. Lighter ore particles are concentrated by fourth flotation method. Using pine oil. Pine oil used for forming agent. What is the principle used in this method? The process depends upon the preferential wettability of ore with oil. What oil used? Pine oil is used. So the gangue particles are particles by water. So gangue particles are removed by water. Lighter ore particles, such as what type of lighter particles are? Sulfide ore. Sulfide ores are used in this method. So all sulfide ores are considered by fourth flotation method. See this picture. This is fourth flotation method. The water, pine oil and ores are used in this method. The compressed air is passed through the apparatus. The compressed airs are push this water, add some pine oil. The pine oil is act as a forming agent. So lighter ores are removed. Then gangue particles are heavier gangue particle settled down. The lighter particles are present in a formed with the top of the layer. The top of the layer contains what ore? Sulfide ore particles. The sulfide ore particles contain some impurities, that is gangue particle. The gangue particles are heavier compared to ore, so heavier particles are settled down the bottom. The bottom contains only gangue particle, that is impurities. The top of the layer contains only pure sulfide ore. So using pine oil and water, the ore is compressed. The heavier particles settle down and lighter particles are present in the top of the layer. So easily the gangue particles and ores are separate, concentrated. The finally the ore contains only for sulfide particles, sulfide ore contains only for pure metals, the impurities are removed using what oil? Using pine oil. The pine oil is used for foaming agent. So using this pine oil, the heavier particles are settled down and lighter particles are present in top of the layer. So easily separated. Note this. When the impurities are heavier than ore, the fourth flotation method used. Compared to ore and gangue particles, heavier gangue particles present in the ore, which method is used to concentrated? Fourth flotation. The last concentrated method is chemical method. This chemical method, the ore is treated with a suitable reagent such that the ore is soluble in it. The soluble in that solvent, but not impurities are dissolved. But the impurities are not dissolved. The impurities are removed by filtration. Impurities are removed by filtration. The solution of the ore, that is the filtrate, is treated with a suitable reagent which precipitate the ore. Example, bauxite. Bauxite formula Al2O3 2H2O. This bauxite is one of the ore of aluminium. This chemical or leaching method, the ore is treated with suitable solvent. This solvent only ore particles only soluble, but the impurities are not soluble. So these impurities are easily removed by the filtration. The solution of the ore, that is a filtrate. The filtrate is treated with a suitable reagent which is treated with suitable reagent which precipitate the ore. Example, bauxite. This is leaching or chemical method. Used to suitable reagent. The ore is soluble but impurities are not soluble this reagent. Dear children, learn today's topic. Note the assignment question. The first one, explain fourth flotation method. Second question, write oxide and carbonate ore name. Third question, explain magnetic separation method with suitable diagram. Thank you, students.